Good afternoon, everybody. I'm here with Alyssa Ross, CEO and co-founder of Metafold. She's also a mathematician. So Alyssa, tell us a little bit about what Metafold does.
Sure. Thanks for the question. So Metafold is a Toronto-based startup. We provide a volumetric design for additive manufacturing software, and we are in the cloud. So that means you can just fire up a web browser and access our software, and we try to make it very easy to make very high complexity structures like the ones you're seeing here.
You were talking earlier about you're really looking to promote, maybe rather than historically it's been aerospace and automotive applications, you were talking about frontier applications. Can you sort of speak to what is a frontier application involving that Metafold's involved with?
Absolutely, yeah. So we're really excited about advancements in engineering that often take place in a research environment, but that need to be scaled up to industrial contexts. So an example is for bioreactors that grow stem cells, for instance. So something like this, a bioreactor requires a huge amount of surface area packed into a very, very small space, and that's what you're seeing here with this very complex internal structure. This is not a bioreactor, by the way, but you can imagine it like that. And so other applications like this, where you need to compress a lot of surface into a small amount of space, carbon capture is another example, and of course lightweight structures come up in a range of different application areas.
And I know you claim I'm a lattice denier, but sometimes the problem is how do I actually get these elegant designs to a printer? And we've got a variety here. Could you just explain how Metafold does that?
Absolutely. So lattices are certainly a challenge and can be a challenge to communicate to printers. If you look at our prints here, you'll see that they kind of increase in complexity from one side to the other. So this section of prints was all created by exporting to STL. So they're slightly simpler, although still with complex structure. And then as we go over here, we can see that these are the prints that were manufactured with a direct connection to the printer, either by exporting to a stack of image slices, or in the case of this very, very large lattice, by connecting the software directly to the hardware. And this allows you to slice the geometry at real time. So we're actively seeking hardware partners to realize that full benefit of streaming the STL-free geometry.
And finally, Alyssa, we're here at Formnext here in Germany, where if people are lucky enough to go to the show, whereabouts can they find you?
Absolutely. So come see us in Hall 12.1, booth G126, and find us online. You can sign up for a free trial of our software, and again, anyone can use it. We dramatically reduce the cost of adoption for volumetric software, so invite you to check it out and look forward to hearing from you.
Thank you very much.